Okay, so last session we did long and short vowels, right? Okay, so we're gonna do
Long A and short A.
good job. And then let's do a quick review, and then we'll move on to our next one. Okay? I almost forgot. What's this word? Okay, this is long or short? Short. Okay. And then what is this word? And this is long or short?
Short.
And what's the vowel sound? Good job. Okay, what about this word? Okay, and this is long or short? Short. And what's our vowel sound?
We're gonna do it with this word right here.
Okay, what about the word?
So let's talk it out first. Ready?
Okay, so what if I added
Good job. And now
let's see.
sound. So how do you sound it out?
What word is this? Okay, and this is long or short? And what's our mystery vowel? Okay, what if I added an E right here?
It would be
How many syllables?
Coke. And would that be long or short?
2. And why do you think I'm doing the word long part?
Because we have op and then o.
Well, let's do that.
So now we're going to do that. Now we are going to watch our silent E video. Okay. So you can go ahead and watch the video.
And that makes it easier to read, right? Breaking down into syllables. So let's do it again. Ready? So
E silent E.
So I want you all.
Silent E.
I want you to show me.
This song is catchy.
Ready?
Letter E is added into some words. It's called silent E. When it can't be heard. Silent E stops one consonant. Back to the vowel. And tells
Remember you can read this form, and then you read map 2.
Silent E.
Remember, the word was nice.
E silent E.
And do you remember when you did about the chips? And you drew multiple bags of chips because it was plural? So we're going to do that, but I have some words right here for you. And remember, we're going to... Yes, you did this. And I'm so proud of you. So you were going to have 6.
You're watching it too?
You're going to have 6 boxes. And what you're going to do is you are going to do the exact
Mute.
You're going to quote the word, you're going to decode it, you're going to say it out loud, and then you're going to draw me a quick picture, okay? I want to make sure that you get all your drawings so that you can sign it, bring it home, and
Silent E. Do another one that has to do with the silent E.
That's going to be the next one. Okay. So now that we watched our silent E video.
New post.
Okay, so now we're going to use an another that and make some words, okay? So, I'm not writing anything yet. So, let's say if I gave you the word
Tino.
yes. Okay, so
Let's see how fast you can do it.
let's say if I have the word
define syllables. Good job. How many syllables?
Way too big.
yep. So let's say if I had the word rag. Okay, is this long or short? So that makes it
Short.
short, okay?
Because if it was long, then it would be way.
Let's find out right now. So here I have the magic E star.
Yeah, we can.
Okay? So what if I put the magic E right here? Then what's our word? Come on, sound it up. No. So if our short word says a, what would our... We turn it to a long vowel, correct?
All right. You ready for
So what would our word be?
turtles have hair? Your turtle has hair? Use a C. No, this turtle has shells.
So what sound does our vowel make when it's short?
Yeah.
And what sound does it make when it's long?
The next one. So show me what you do first when you do
So rage.
Good job. And
I don't know what that word is.
So rage is another word for mad. Okay. So let's say we have a word.
a chicken.
Let's do the word hat. Okay.
I know how to spell that.
Okay. So let's do H A
chick and
T.
and we can do what?
Okay. And is this long or short? Short? Okay. And what if we added our E?
8.
Good job.
So let's write it down.
Alright. And then let's do, wait, hold on. Let's do the word can. Can you spell out the word can for me?
Well, what else can we add to our picture to make it look more like a chicken? Because when you look at that, it looks like a chicken. Dude, what are chickens have? What's chickens have? A beak. So maybe we
Alright,
should
what's
draw
this
a beak.
And is this a long or a short?
And what are
Okay.
chickens
Now go
have?
ahead and add our magic star E.
Eggs. So maybe
And
we
what's
should
our
draw
new
some
word?
eggs next to our chicken.
Nose. Aim.
Cane. Like a hurricane, or like a candy cane, or like a sugar cane.
Good job. Okay, let's do another word. What about the word car? Can you spell the word car for me?
Perfect. Alright, you ready for the next one? Alright. Let's do this word.
Okay, so we have car. And our word, is it long or is it short?
Sure.
Okay, and what happens when we add our magic star E?
And can you tell me where the one syllable ends and where the next one begins?
Care. Good
And
job.
how did we do that?
Like I came.
Good job. And let's try another word. Let's do the word. Let's do the word. That one? Alright, do the word pin.
Ooh, that's a and what do we
Where's
put in
P?
the baskets?
P. Thank you.
Our baskets? Yeah, what else can we put in our baskets?
Our word is
Your
pin.
baskets. Do you want to add some candy for your basket for me?
Wait, no. You're right.
I thought it was I thought it was gonna be pin.
Pin.
Ooh, you drew a bow.
Alright, so is this a long
When I did a
vowel
basket,
or short vowel word?
In.
yeah, Mr. Brothers coming soon.
Short?
Sure.
Alright, and then let's add our magic E.
Kind.
Basket is
Nice. Good job. And is our vowel still long or is it short?
Long.
Long, and what vowel is long? And what vowel is silent? Good job. Let's do the word bit.
Bit. What's that one?
I bet you were so
Bit.
Did you keep it to yourself and you didn't want anyone else to know that you had the whole name? B. Yeah. You took a peek first and then you
That's a D.
But you didn't tell anyone in class. Yeah.
No, I did the B.
Let's do our next one. Ooh, okay. So let's break it into 2 syllables for me. Good job, and can you
I can do
sound out
it.
the word for
They're
me?
looking about magic you too.
Bit.
So,
Alright. And then is this a long or short?
so where
Short.
Okay, let's add our E. What's our new
where are we
word?
gonna split
Bit.
the syllables?
No.
Wait, no, bite.
Bite. And why is it bite?
So if we sound it out, we go.
This is a vowel. This.
And what did this
Wait,
make?
wait.
Did this make our vowel long or short?
Can you draw me a picture?
Cause this is a vowel, and I'm guessing these two are consonants.
Yes, good job. You're so smart. Let's do the word
Up the ladder?
hop.
Someone climbing down?
This is the word hop.
What do we use a ladder for?
Hop. I'll start you off.
So you would use a ladder to get up all the way to your Christmas tree. So
Alright, and what's our word?
that's tough.
Hop. Okay, and this is long or short?
Short.
And if we add our E,
Help!
good job. Good job.
That was easy.
Alright, so now
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you fill out this paper. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna use a spinner, okay? And it's gonna give you a word. Okay, so when it gives you a word, I want you to write the word and then transform it and add an E at the end, okay?
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're gonna use this spinner right here. Okay, so we have our spinner right here, okay? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on it, it's gonna give us a word, and you're gonna write that word for me. Just wanna see how many words you can do. So our word is
Pin.
no.
Time. Oh wait, what?
Our word is what? Mat. So go ahead and write mat.
Do you like donuts?
Can I write it
What
this?
is donut? What do you think? Is that your favorite type of donut? It is. I love sprinkles. Is that why you do sprinkles? For your sister?
All right. And then if we were to add an E at the end of mat, what would our new word be? Mate. Good job. That is correct. All right, let's go ahead and spin. Go ahead.
I'm gonna have to try
Spin
that.
it.
So you have a full donut. Donuts have what in them?
And our new word
Yeah, they
is
have a whole
tub. So go ahead and write the word tub for me.
You have a winner.
Write the word tub.
Okay, so
You went through all 6 of these words. I'm going to give you a full and high five. You should roll it. See? So, because we have some extra time, I thought maybe
Okay.
we could do some
So if we were to add our magic star E,
more draw for me.
what would our
I
new
know you
word
like
be?
drawing.
team.
Okay. So let me see.
And I got some extra words for us to do.
All right. So our word. So our word is tub, right? So which means our vowel right now is short.
I think that you
And to make it long, we're adding
I
an
think you
E.
know. I think you're smart.
So we have and now we have tube. So our new word is going to be tube. Good job. So go ahead and write it right here for me.
Oh, wait. I already have a thing and I love it. Hey!
From your old Alright.
Alrighty. And now our new word is
Ready? 1, 2,
Win.
win. Alright, so let's go ahead and write our word win right here.
Can you break it into 2 syllables for me? Good job. So when we think of the word rabbit, what do we draw? And what does a rabbit look like? Right. And so what do we ever draw on the paper? A rabbit. I would, you know what? I think I'm
Okay, and then if we were to add a magic E to it, what would it be?
Line.
Good job. Yeah, and then we can remove that one.
Oh, it's 3 days.
Hey! Don't.
Alright, and now go ahead and cook it.
Wow.
You would ask her if I used stitch.
Did we do that one already?
Yeah, but it's okay to do it again. So you should get this one easy. So what's our word?
Like,
No.
wait, no, gift.
Okay. And that's short or is that our long?
Sure.
Okay. And then if you were to add an E, what would our new word be? Good job. Alright, and go ahead and spin our wheel again. Alright, I'm gonna let you do the next few words by yourself. I'm gonna set this timer right here. If you need help, I'll be right here.
So maybe we should draw.
We'll see how many words you can do with the spinner on your own.
seeing the different colors on your card.
8.
Are you ready for the next one? Alright. So we're gonna put this one to the side. You ready? So how we're gonna break it into 2 syllables? Good job. And now let's sound it out. Okay. And how do we figure out where to separate each syllable? And what can we do? Maybe draw a line, or clap it out, or we can even tap it. Good job. So what are we gonna draw?
Oh gosh, I can't.
A pumpkin. And when you see the word pumpkin, what do you think of? You think of Halloween.
Is it pin or sweet?
Okay. Oh, if you want to. You want to draw next to Robin? You don't have to.
Like a Leah Pines.
Go again. Time almost up.
I have another sheet.
Fact.
You want another sheet?
After this is gonna be fight. Oh wait, no. Fact.
Ooh, it's just like the pumpkin.
Did I do this a little bit fall down? Did I do the one a little bit fall down?
You don't have to though. If you want a whole sheet.
Is it fate? So right now it's fat, but I think it's gonna be fate after.
Good job. And why is the word fate?
Because the magic E makes the vowel say its name.
Good job. Alright, and let's knock in one more.
Plain. Plain or plan? Plan.
Good job. The word is plan.
Plan, but now it's gonna be plain.
Plain. Good job. And again, why is our new word
Because
plain?
the magic E makes it say its name.
Good job.
Because when I think of pumpkin, I think of Halloween, right? And you're making it into a what? When you carve into a pumpkin, what can you make it into?
Alright, good job. Okay, so we're gonna go over what we did, okay? So we have tub, which turned into the word.
Wait, tub.
Turned into the word tomb. Good job. And then we have the word win, and that turned into the word. Good job. We have the word bit, and we turned it into
Bite.
okay. Check it off. We have the word at, and we turned it into
Good job.
check it off.
Sound it out to me.
We have the word hid and changed it into good job. We have the word pin and we changed it into alright. Check. And then we have the word fat and we changed it to the word good job. And then we have the word plan and we changed it to good job. You did such a good job today. I am so proud of you. Which one do you want?
And when you see the word plan,
Good job.
your mom's flowers.
Another one.
Patrick.
So this
Good job.